Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finoston here, and today, this is a dancing snowman. It dances to jingle bells. It's on low batteries. I got this one at Goodwill before. I got this one in November. Yep, the batteries are low. It does not dance, but it used to, but it doesn't dance. This one's on low batteries though. Let's listen to the snowman on low batteries.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun!
Here we go. So here's the dancing snowman. It's supposed to dance, but it does not dance anymore. Yep, this one sings jingle bells. Yep, it's on low batteries. So goodbye and have a good Christmas break.